If you want to sign up to the Polarsteps app, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. So let's actually just jump into it. So presuming that you have downloaded the Polarsteps app from the App Store, we're going to go in right here. This is our very first page. And quite simply, you're going to go and click on create a new account. So this is how you will sign up for the app. So you have two options. You have either the option to sign up with one of your Google accounts, or you can just go ahead and sign up with an email. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with Google. You'll see here now that you can pick a username. You can also state where you live, and you can give a short bio as well. You'll also have the option to allow contact access. This will basically just allow you to connect with people within your contact list. Also, you're going to have to go ahead and access the privacy disclosure, and you're going to click on allow. And there you go. You can now click on continue. We'll go through this step and you're on your dashboard. You have now successfully signed up for the Polarsteps app.